Hi, my name is Daniel, and I'm an Instacart shopper. You might find my videos helpful if you're new to the job or want to talk more about it here on YouTube. I am genuinely excited to have you here. Let me know in the comments if there's anything I can help with. I hope you enjoy and subscribe to my channel. Picking and replacing products. With so many different products on the market, it's hard to know which one will work best for your customer. This video will help you pick the perfect product and how to deal with run-out items. Let's start. First rule. You have to shop like the groceries be for you. Yes, to be successful at that job, you have to pay attention to details. It seems obvious, but believe me, it isn't for most shoppers to. Most of them don't care when picking produce or canned products. I'm sure you've seen these tips before, and it looks to be silly, but I want to make sure to tell you these tips are really useful. Moldy canned goods, overripe or smashed tomatoes, and last one bunch of cilantro may bust your rate. So, it's better to refund it. Product's quality certainly will be noticed by your customer. Don't worry, a bunch of cilantro will not make much of a difference in your final tip. Keep this in mind. Now it is time to reveal a trick. When the final product you have available looks bad, snap a picture and send it to your customer with a message to let them know you are concerned. For example, sorry, the apple gala does not look good. Let me know if you are interested in trying any other fruit varieties. You'll hit the customer's heart. They will feel trusted in you, and if he previously gave you 5 stars, more of that can happen. And who knows? He may be tipping a lot more again. Double batches, so do I get 2 carts? It depends on the number of items, the store's size, sometimes narrows or makes it hard to handle 2 shopping carts. I like to take only 1 cart at the beginning, and then I get another before checkout, and double check to avoid mistakenly separating the wrong products for the customers. Take care of your cart, do not leave it alone for a long time. I had some experience to lost my cart cause someone mistakenly got my cart. I believe it happened by mistake, I almost always got the wrong carts during shopping. Keep in mind, someone can put or take products not intentionally in your cart, and it will be a problem after checkout. Also, the Instacart may consider you are getting personal products and using Instacart to pay for them. You will be banned. Interaction with customers sometimes doesn't seem to work. If the customer doesn't answer your messages, don't worry about it. Maybe they're busy, but your messages will be in the app, and they'll see those when they're available to see it even if you are done the batch. Again, it shows you were concerned. Another tip about picking up the final products on the shelf is to notice him about the quantity available if it is not complete. I will give you an example. The customer asks for 5 noodle soup cans, but only 3 can be available. Indeed, the app will notify them, but you shouldn't trust on Instacart app. I always ask that you send them a text when there are only 3 cans of the given noodles left, like, sorry, there are only 3 noodle soup cans available. I'll refund you for the other 2 noodle soups that are missing. That's the best way to ensure everything goes well with customer orders. Consider it like to improve your bond with them. Thank you for watching. My aim is to create the best content possible, so I appreciate feedback, and will use it as a way to improve future videos. If you enjoyed this one, then please consider hitting that like button and subscribe to my channel.